W net equals Q net QH QC. This is the formula obtained from the first law of thermodynamics. It is indicated that all the energy entering and leaving the system is accounted for and is thus converted. The second law of thermodynamics states that a heat engine cannot transfer all energy as heat to do work. A heat engine carries some substance through a cylindrical process during which, 1, the substance absorbs energy as heat from the high temperature reservoir, 2, work is done by the engine, and 3, energy is expelled as heat to a lower temperature reservoir. All heat engines operating the cycle must expel some energy to a lower temperature reservoir. Therefore, it is impossible to construct a heat engine that operates in a cycle, absorbs energy from a hot reservoir, and does an equivalent amount of work. The requirement that a heat engine gives up some energy at a lower temperature in order to do work does not follow from the first law of thermodynamics. This requirement is the basis of what is called the second law of thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics can be stated as follows. No cylindrical process that converts heat entirely into work is possible. According to the second law of thermodynamics, W can never be equal to QH in a cylindrical process. In other words, some energy must always be transferred as heat to the system's surroundings. A cyclic process cannot completely convert energy transferred as heat into work, nor can it transfer energy as heat from the lower temperature body to a high temperature body, without work being done in the process. A measure of how well an engine operates is given by the engine's efficiency. Efficiency is a measurement of the useful energy taken out of the process relative to the total energy that is put into the process. For a heat engine, the efficiency is the ratio of work done by the engine to the energy added to the system as heat during the cycle. And then there is the equation is basically just the simplest is 1 minus QC, which is the net work done by the engine, over QH, the QC is energy removed as heat, and then over energy added as heat.